Hi Tsp people, today's video is on this Japanese souffle pancakes, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. The items you'll need for the pancakes will be plain flour, sugar, milk, baking powder, cream of tartar, maple syrup, strawberries, powdered sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla essence. You can get a bowl, add in your sugar and your egg yolk, and you can use your beater or you can whisk it manually. Next, you can add in your milk and a dash of vanilla extract. Once that is done, you can add in your baking powder and your flour. Continue beating, and once it's fully mixed, then you can stop, and then you can get another mixing bowl and add in your large egg whites. Next, you can add in your cream of tartar and just continue mixing until it holds a peak. Also remember to add in your sugar and continue mixing. Once it actually holds a peak, you can stop, and then you can slowly add in your egg whites to your batter or vice versa. Just make sure you whisk in slowly, and once that is done, then you can carry on to cooking the pancakes. Get your pan and add butter. You can use your ice cream scoop to actually scoop the batter into the pan, so depending how big or small you want the pancakes. has 3 large pancakes over here, so if you want to make them smaller then you might get more, but I'm actually making it bigger. You can actually add a little bit of water to make sure that the pancakes retain the moisture and it doesn't become dry. So once that's done, you can just cover it and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. You can just check back in a while and see how it's cooking, and then once it's cooked, you can actually lift up and then flip it to the other side to continue cooking. So it's a bit tough to actually flip it because it's very soft on the top, and then I was struggling for a bit, but I managed to flip them. So if you want, actually if you make smaller pancakes, you can just join 2 pancakes together to make it look more puffier, because once you cook them, they actually deflate when you remove it from the heat. So again, here I'm adding a little bit of butter and water so that it actually cooks again on the other side. While plating it, you can actually add butter if you want, and then next you can add in your berries. Just like the usual pancakes, you can add in your powdered sugar and your maple syrup, and then you can enjoy. So these pancakes were really nice to make, and it was a bit tough. So this is my 3rd time making this, and it was a little bit tough because I tried different recipes, and this one I really liked the most. I'd say these were more soufflé than the normal kind of pancakes. I really love this recipe out of the others that I tried. So I really hope you liked the video, and if you liked it and you tried it, definitely let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look, pick up your phone.